How you guys doing? This is Austin with PR Design Build and Town Corners Exterior. We're doing this house out here in the Lakeshore. We ran into a couple issues here. Waterproofing on the ledger and the deck. It's a big issue back in the day. As you can see here, we got a lot of rot. It's from not properly flashing that ledger. We don't have house wrap on this house, which was typical for the year that it was built. But nowadays you need house wrap across the whole thing. We also need flashing, which they have here, but it doesn't have a drip cap on it. So flashing water was getting behind that and coming behind the ledger board, which the ledger board also doesn't have flashing behind that as well. So water's just getting into this house, rotting this OSB, and actually starting to get into the structural part of this house as well. We got a rim board completely gone from water. And this is the damage over years that can happen to your house without proper flashing, proper taping. So we got to replace all this and actually do it right. We're going to put house wrap up. We're going to flash everything properly and make sure this doesn't happen again.